Hello there, welcome back again to our series of topics from the book Computer Skills that Increase Your Productivity. In today's topic, we're going to see answering self-test 2. In our previous video, we have actually presented self-test 2, which we hope we have actually tried some of them. So in today's topic, we fully cover using that self-test tool and answering those questions. So this is actually created using a developer in a box. This is actually created using repeating section content control and drop down list content control and using add option from the property. So we're actually going to learn developer in the developer section in the future. So coming back to our today's topic, which is self-test 2, and we are going to answer those questions presented in self-test 2. So the first question is, why do we add cover page? Why do we add cover page in our document? That's the basic question, and by now you should have actually answered this question, and you should know the advantage of having a nice cover page. So the answer is the document will have a great first impression with a stylish cover page. That's why we have to have a cover page. By the time we have a stylish and a very nice cover page, that will actually attract the consumers. Question 2, where do we find page break? Sometimes we need page break to be actually presented in our document, having different sections. So in that case, we need page break, and just to use that, we know where it should be found, and where. So in that regard, where do we find page break? The answer is page break is found under insert menu. So we have to go to insert and go to the page, then we will find page break. Question number 3, where do we find star shape, in which category? Just this is asking the category under the shape. So obviously it is from shapes, and in which category of shape we will find star shape. The answer is stars in stars and banners category. Question number 4, which two options need internet to use them? Is it shape or icon, 3D models, or smart art? Among these 4 given options, 2 of them need internet connections to get use of them. So which are the 2 productivity tools we should use, just depending on the internet? So the answer is to use 3D models and icon. So to use icons and 3D models, internet connection is needed. Question number 5, which 2 options do not need internet to use them? Shape, icons, 3D models, smart art. Obviously from the question for answer you can guess for this one, and the answer is shapes and smart art can be used without internet connection. Anytime you can use shapes of different types or smart art for different purposes, for example for processes and for hierarchy and different purposes. Question 6, to create pyramid we use that shape, icon, 3D model, or smart art. Which one is the best for creating a pyramid? The answer is to create pyramid we use smart art. To create process we use which one? It is a smart art. So a smart art is a very important functionality tool we use for different purposes. One is to creating the process. Apart from that, we can use smart art for different purposes. For example, we can actually use to create lists, to create process, to create cycles, to create hierarchy, to create relationship, to create metrics, to create pyramid, and so on and so forth. So it has a great variety of uses for practical use. So try to use smart art for different functionalities. So the next question is question 8. To spot pattern and trend in your data set, we use what? Just you can guess from we are actually under insert and which productivity tool we should use to spot pattern and trend. The answer is to spot pattern and trend in your data set, you use chart. So you can use bar chart, area chart, or line chart, depending on our interest and the type of data we have. You can use different charts. The next question is a true-false question. Question number 9. Screenshot, take a snapshot of document from other document and use in the current document. Is this statement true or false? Screenshots, take a snapshot of document from other document and use in the current document. What do you think? The answer is true. The next question, we are on question number 10. To create a link in your document for quick access for web page or document, you use which one? Which one do we use? Is it web page? Is it Wikipedia, links, or add-in? Which one should we use to create a link in your document? The answer is C, links. To edit a part of a document, we use what? Obviously, the answer is comment. Dash help you to repeat content at the top of every page. What help us to repeat content at the top of every page? Obviously, this is probably the easiest one. Headers help you to repeat content at the top of every page. So what is used to insert must-see content and to bring focus to the content? Example can be use case or quotes. To use code or use cases with one functionality, which is must-see content. What is that? That is a text box. Here you can find it, text box. Text box used to insert must-see content and to bring focus to the content. We are on question number 14. To insert some key document component, for example, book, author, title, abstract, keyword, what do we use? Just if we want to insert some key document components, what is important to use? The answer is document property. We have to use document property to just use some key document component. Question number 15 is what is this formula? A squared plus b squared is c squared, and how we can insert it? I think this is common for students and teachers. The answer is Pythagorean theorem, and you can use it either using alt plus equal or directly going to the equation. Area of a circle is indicated as. The answer is area of circle is area is equal to pi r square. Question 17. To insert an embedded object or a text from another file into your document, which function is used? So to bring a document or an object from other document, We use what? This is object. To insert an embedded object or text from another file into your document, we use object. Apart from just that, object can be actually used to collaborate among different actors, specifically to just link Word file and Excel file. So details you can find in one of our previous videos for that. The next question is question number 18. These symbols represent what? We have here the first one, here the second one, here the third one. So what are these symbols and what they are representing? Obviously, the answer is the first one is a copyright sign, the second one is registered sign, the third one is incremental sign. So hopefully these are very important and very common symbols everybody should know. Question 19. Monday, August 14, 2023 is created by what function? So we can insert this, the dates and the day in this style, and to insert this directly from the functionality, what functionality should we use? That is the question. So the answer is we use date function. Question number 20. How do you rate the lessons you learned in this section? So this is obviously depend on your experience and your consumption of our topics so far. If you are actually used some of our lessons under this section, and how do you rate the lessons you learned in this section? Obviously we have covered many lessons, so depending on your experience and exposure to those lessons, we expect you rate our lessons. You can say excellent or good or satisfactory or unsatisfactory. Obviously that will actually help us to improve our lessons, future lessons. So please rate your experience by just selecting from the given options and just write that on the comment, and so we can actually consume that for as a feedback and improve our performance. So it depends on personal experience and the use. You can say my preference is ABCD, like excellent, good, satisfactory, or unsatisfactory. So that will actually help us. So that is it, and obviously we have covered many topics under this section, which is from insert from the book, computer skills that increase your productivity, and the topics under these books are many, and we have covered topics under insert so far and under home. So you can actually go to some of the topics you are actually interested in and grab them and make use of them, and all of our topics we covered here are actually, we have tried to link them to the practical utility of them in your daily life. So try to use them efficiently and appropriately to increase your skill. So we are actually expected the learner from this book is expected to improve his or her skill just from the basic level to advanced level, and actually make some progress. So in this second topic we have actually covered many topics, including the following. we have actually covered, for example, in under insert cover page, how to insert cover page, page break, insert table, repeat header in the table, pictures, shapes, icons, 3D models, smart art, chart, screenshot, reuse files, get add-ins, Wikipedia, online videos, links, comment, header, footer, page number, text box, document property, drop cap, signature, insert date and time, object, equation, and symbols. So in all of our topics we have actually discussed in different videos. We have tried to actually link the practical utility of them for everyday usage. And if you are actually interested in them, you can actually go and grab some of them and learn and use them for your daily life and to increase your productivity in your work. So that is it, and we hope you have enjoyed the topics for today, and you can actually grab some of our previous topics from the book Computer Skills That Increase Your Productivity. So that is it, and thank you very much. And if you are actually interested in our topics, you can actually go and learn some of them. And if you are actually interested to have the book itself, you can actually get it. So thank you very much, and bye bye.